Hivers. Welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be making a card using the Masterfully made designer series paper, along with the Pansy Patch stamp set, okay? We are still working from the Kendra's Cards Challenge number 13. And we're going to be doing sketch number 15, okay? So before we get started on this, of course, we have to go over the buzzworthy business of the day. First, we're going to start with our paper pumpkin kit. It's your one-stop box for creativity. You have until, what is this, April 10th to subscribe to get this month's paper pumpkin kit. I will have all the details for this month's paper pumpkin kit on my blog at honeybeestampinhive.com, okay? Next up, we have our mystery boxes. These are the flat rate, medium size USPS boxes that I have stuffed full of my new and used retired Stampin' Up products. Okay, I'm asking $30 each for the box. Shipping is included. I can only sell and mail in the United States. If you're interested, please email me at stampwithshawna@gmail.com. Lastly, we have our March host code. This is the code I want you to use whenever you're placing an order with me. Unless your order's $150 or more before shipping and tax, don't use this host code because you're going to qualify for Stampin' Rewards. And Stampin' Rewards equals free product from Stampin' Up. And we don't want you to miss out on any of your freebies. All right? That is all of our buzzworthy business. Okay, so let me get all of my pieces out. So we have a card base here of 5.5 by 8.5 scored at 4 1/4, and this is thick basic white. We have some basic white here. This is 5 1/4 by 4, I believe. We're going to go ahead and emboss this. I'm going to be using the exposed brick embossing folder. So let me get that out. I don't know why I didn't take that out. Let's go ahead and emboss this first. Let me get that out of the way. Come on. Open, open, open. So I'm just going to put this in our embossing folder, bring over the Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine. Get our plates here. And this is a 3D folder, so we only need plates 1 and 4. I'm going to run that through. Okay, so now we have our embossed piece. We are going to go ahead and put our inside in our card because I did that ahead of time. So I have a piece of berry burst here that is 5 by 3 3/4 with a 3/4 inch of the designer series paper and a 1/4 inch of Tahitian Tide. I almost said tempting turquoise. I think that was a color a long time ago. Uh-oh, I need new blue. Let's see if this one is better. There we go. I'm going to put this on the inside of our card. Get that done. Okay, and then I have 2 pieces of cardstock here. I have some Berry Burst and Tahitian Tide. Oh my goodness. I keep wanting to say tempting turquoise. We're going to adhere these together. Again, you can get all the measurements for the pieces that I'm using from Kendra's Card Challenge, and I'll have the link below for you to do that. I'm going to get my silicone craft sheet here because we're going to glue some pieces onto this. Let's see, what am I going to be using? That side. This side. I think this should be here. Like that, yeah. So I'm just going to put a line of, ooh, that's pretty thick. A line of glue there, so I think I better put this one. That's pretty thick. Then we'll try to get a little thinner right here for this one. Okay, and then I'm going to do another line right there. Ooh, Stick to the paper, not to my fingers. Then we'll put another one right here on the corner, just like that. Okay, and where are my scissors? We're gonna go ahead and cut this extra off. All right, so we can get rid of that silicone craft sheet. Okay, so now this is ready to be put onto our card base. We're just going to put this right on the front. Okay, and that is not 5 1/4 by 4. That is 4 1/8 by 5 3/8. Okay, so we have that. Now we're going to do a little bit of stamping, just a little bit. So I have another piece of Designer Series paper here, and we're going to stamp right on that paper in Azure Afternoon. We're going to stamp Happy Birthday from the Pansy Patch stamp set. I'm going to try to get this straight here. Just like that. That's all the stamping we're doing. And then I need some stamping dimensionals because I want to pop this up. A new sheet. I love this Designer Series paper. I haven't used it a lot though, but it's so pretty. All the different colors. I really like this side. I need to find something to do with that side as well. Let's see. I know I'm about to put too many dimensionals. I should have put this one down here. And I'll put one there. Oh, I know this is a tiny piece, but you guys know how I like my dimensionals. I want to make sure everything is popped up and sticking right. Now, the hard part is to get this on here because it only has like a 1/8 inch border. So, I think that looks pretty good. We're going to, nope. Seam the top. About right there. I'm gonna call that good. It's a little crooked. Ooh, that's a lot crooked. Let's see if we can straighten that up a little bit. There we go. Now, let's get our glue back out so we can glue this down to the front of the card. I'm gonna put that right here in the middle, just like that. Then we're going to get some of these pastel adhesive back sequins. They come in gold, petal pink, and balmy blue, which are none of the colors here, but I thought that this would still work. So let me put one right there. I thought these came in 2 different sizes. We'll put one up here, maybe right there. And I think I want 2 more. Just to give this card some, you know, jazz it up a bit. Because it's not too much going on, but that's our card. Isn't that cute? I like that. It's nice and simple. The background with the exposed brick embossing folder, that's pretty. But this is sketch number 15 from Kendra's Card Challenge number 13. So yeah, we did that. Okay, you guys, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.